Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to add an image mockup to a ripped paper surface. So let's get into the video. With the document open, click on this icon to create a new layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool and make the selection around the paper. Now we will fill it with white color. If it's not set to white, press D and then you can press X to toggle between the colors. Make sure that white is in the foreground. Press Alt or Option along with Delete to fill the color. Right click and convert the layer to Smart Object. Turn off the layer and with the background layer selected, click on the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Choose the mode to rectangle and draw an area around your paper. As you can see, it has selected the whole paper, including the ripped area. To exclude them, select the lasso tool from the modes and then press Alt or Option, which will turn it into subtraction mode. Now remove the areas which you don't want. When you are done, enable the layer and click on the vector mask button. Change its blending mode to multiply. Double click on the smart object and here paste the image you want to add. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform it. Now go to File and save it. With the mask selected, go to Properties panel and increase the value of feather to around 3. Come back to the Layers panel. Now right click and choose Blending options. Move the slider of the underlying layer towards left. And as you do it, press Alt or Option to break the slider for smoother effect. Press OK and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.